Emission systems in vehicles have relied on specialized EVAP components for many years. However, in the past 2 decades, the increasing reliance on complex and interdependent EVAP components has led to an increased need for high-quality aftermarket EVAP products. At MotoRad, EVAP is a natural extension of our emissions pillar. Caps and closures work together with EVAP components to control fuel vapor. When customers are chasing leaks and codes, having the right parts across the system matters to avoid missed opportunities. MotoRad provides better product availability and depth, with parts engineered to correct known OE failure modes and weak points. Better means they fit the first time, with quality fittings and seals, and will install correctly to solve issues such as fuel vapors, check engine codes, and poor running conditions. Vent valves manage fresh air flow to the canister and help the system seal when required. MotoRad vent valves are electrically matched to OEM parameters for seamless PCM integration, validated for EVAP monitor readiness, and 100% functionally verified for actuation, flow, and sealing. Purge solenoids meter vapor into the engine under PCM control. MotoRad purge solenoids are calibrated for precise vapor metering across the operating range. Use fuel vapor-resistant internal seals, and every unit is individually tested before it ships. Leak detection pumps confirm system integrity by generating the vacuum or pressure required for accurate checks. MotoRad pumps deliver consistent vacuum, stable monitored feedback using integrated sensors. They are output validated to OEM pressure specifications on every unit, and cycle life testing beyond typical service expectations. Vapor canisters store fuel vapor in activated carbon and must maintain absorption and flow over time. MotoRad canisters use activated charcoal match to OEM capacity and grade, as well as improved internal flow designs to support stable absorption efficiency. These improvements address common OE failure modes and deliver proper pressure cycle validation for modern EVAP demands. MotoRad is trusted to deliver better because we build EVAP as a system, not a one-off part. With coverage across EVAP components plus caps and closures, you can say yes more often to provide complete repairs with confidence.